Welcome to CT's Gotta Have 'Em Reviews. I'm so excited to be partnered up with TesStudio. Oh my God. I've been trying for a long time. I'm so happy. And thank you so much to TesStudio for allowing me to test out a phenomenal product. This is the 10.88 inch upground TES-F10C Tesla dashboard. It's going to give you amazing heads-up display that I've been wanting ever since I got a Tesla Model Y. I'm sadly one of those that don't really like the off-centered screen alone, and ever since I've driven the Tesla X as well as the S, I've fell in love with the screen. So I've been in the market to get one, and you know, if you've been following my channel, I only review the best items, the must-have items that without a doubt will be amazing in quality craftsmanship. So here we go. If you don't know about TesStudio, they're one of the premiers, founders and developers of a wide range of aftermarket accessories and upgrades, not only for Teslas, but Rivian and other electronic vehicles, ranging from screens and displays, steering wheels, convenience and comfort accessories, exterior styling, lighting, and electronics. Check them out. And, you know, if you're going to purchase anything, there's a nice discount code that you can use. Again, we are looking at the 10.88 inch screen. Model number is TES-F10C. My vehicle is a 2023 Tesla Model Y long range, and this is the product for it. So with my unique discount code that TesStudio has provided for my viewers, you'll get 27% off. So the price will most likely cost you around $597, but again, this will be highly worthwhile. It features so much more than you could have ever imagined. It features Android CarPlay. It features blind spot monitoring. It also gives you tons of other features that I'm not going to waste your time with here. Let's go through the open box quickly. Everything is in here that you need, and I'll show everything in a separate installation video. This is an additional front camera that you can install optionally. That's also included, which is cool. I always like to see the front if I'm pulling out at eye level towards the road, right? Because a lot of people can't see above or in front of the hood, closer to the ground. Pry tool, always good. This is what will hold the display against the back of the vent wall, which I will show. There is the screen. Wow, 10.88 inches. And as you can tell, the upgraded newer model also features vent control, so you can actually route the airflow as you like and not be so dependent on the older model where you didn't have that flow and you'd have to be dependent on the original Tesla vehicle's air vent flow. Looking at this, the quality and craftsmanship is unreal. Like, I mean, wow, it's just beautiful. Like, this is why, you know, like I only like to recommend the best, and I feel like this is absolutely the best. Very well crafted indeed. So these are the wires here. So that's your screen. Awesome. Direct plug and play kits that go into the main modules. I'll show everything, see how it's labeled. Fantastic. A lot of times they don't even do that with a lot of the products that come out of Asia. I believe this is for power source. We'll look into that. This is to figure out whereabouts on the dash you need to center it. And wonderful manual. Looks really decent. So that's everything in the box, and that was your open box. See you over on the installation video.